Welcome to the Sickle Cell Advancing Together Arizona Community Roundtable Recap. The Force for Health Network celebrates collaborative partnership and effort to combat sickle cell stigma in Tucson. On Friday, June 7th, the Force for Health Network proudly supported an impactful event at the historic Dunbar Pavilion, bringing together community leaders, healthcare professionals, and advocates to address and eliminate the stigma associated with sickle cell disease, SCD. Organized by the Red Cross of Southern Arizona, in partnership with the Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona, Arizona Blood Alliance, Arizona Achievers Foundation, the Dunbar Pavillion Foundation, and the Force for Health Network, and sponsored by Banner Health Plans and Brother John's BBQ, this event was a remarkable demonstration of the power of partnership, innovation, and community commitment. In Part 1, the planning team wanted to focus on this single message to the community. Let's address and end SCD stigma now and together. Courtney Slaniker, Executive Director of the Southern Arizona Red Cross, welcomed attendees and provided instructions for the event. She emphasized the importance of community engagement and the collective effort required to address the stigma surrounding SCD. Dr. Knight, psychiatrist from Banner, and Sarah Speakermeyer, COO, Banner Health Plans, shared their professional experiences and insights on the stigma faced by SCD patients. They highlighted the importance of empathy, proper medical training, and community support in overcoming these challenges. Courtney Slaniker, Red Cross of Southern Arizona, Executive Director states, "We came together today to talk about it, to eliminate it. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take collective action to do that, and this is a great start." Dr. Vicki Knight from Banner Health states, "The reality is, for people who know most about the stigma associated with sickle cell disease are those who have experienced this. We have to help. We really appreciate the opportunity to be here today and be part of the discussion." Crystal Jackson, from the American Red Cross, discussed the historical and ongoing stigmas related to blood donation, particularly within the African American community. She emphasized the importance of education and building trust to increase blood donations, crucial for SCD patients. Akila Gilbert, an SCD patient herself and community health worker with the Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona, shared her personal journey of living with SCD, the stigmas she faced, and the importance of having a supportive community and knowledgeable healthcare providers. Crystal Jackson, Field Director, Red Cross, states, "Education is key to get people to come in to donate, to understand those stigmas, to debunk those, to understand that we're here to save lives." Akila Gilbert, community health worker, Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona, encouraged those living with sickle cell disease to know your body, know what you need, know the systems, know how to work in it, and don't fight against it. The second half of the community meeting focused on the official launch and celebration of the new 360-degree SCD Hub community app and platform. Moses Akpan, president of the Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona, opened the session with his personal and passionate reflections of how far his dream has come from his original plan back in 2017. He states, "I am overwhelmed with joy and pride to be able to develop and now deliver this amazing, unifying, and empowering resource to our community. We have come so far. I feel so blessed to be surrounded by such strong partners and look forward to making a difference together." Moses then introduced Lucy Howell, Force for Health Network CEO, joined remotely by co-founder and Chief Medical Officer Dr. Robert Gilio, who helped develop the 360 SCD Hub app, a comprehensive tool designed to empower, educate, and connect the SCD community. Dr. Gilio thanked the Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona for the opportunity to participate in such a meaningful project and encouraged everybody to now use it and provide feedback. Lucy Howell then led the discussion and demonstration session to help activate new members into this free new resource. Dr. Rob states, "It's a difficult task to build an app. It's a more difficult task to get it to be used. The app will have much greater value if you download it and start using it. Post in the feeds your thoughts, your ideas, new drugs you hear about, new ideas you hear about, the best medical practices that are helping you. Your input and engagement is critical. Attendees participated in live demonstrations and interactive sessions to familiarize themselves with the app's features. The event featured engaging activities, including quizzes and demonstrations of the 360 SCD Hub app, with Banner Health Plans sponsoring food, drinks, and 3 $100 gift cards for participants. Attendees had the opportunity to earn points and win prizes by completing interactive quizzes and engaging with the app, fostering a fun and educational environment. Sam Ross, representing Kappa Alpha Psi, the Arizona Achievers Foundation, and the Dunbar Pavilion, was so pleased to see their newly renovated space in such great use, serving the health and well-being of the direct community most impacted by their programs and services. Frida Marshall, CEO of the Dunbar Pavillion Foundation, echoed her enthusiasm for being able to share her special venue with the families. The Dunbar Pavilion is a historic site that was once a segregated school for African Americans in Tucson. It now hosts events, exhibitions, and programs that celebrate the culture and history of the African American experiences across southern Arizona. Both Sam Ross and Freda Marshall stated, "We are thrilled to help host this wonderful community event here at the Dunbar Pavilion. Connecting, serving, and enriching our entire community is what we do, and we look forward to supporting programs like this in the future." Before closing, Sarah Spiekermeyer came back with a special message. "Moses, you are one of the most compassionate, caring, and dedicated people I know. It has been amazing to be here, along your side, to witness your dream come into reality with the 360-degree SCD Hub app. Congratulations." Event organizers were also thrilled to host special guest Tanya Hamilton, Cabinet Executive Officer from the Governor's Office of Youth, Faith, and Family, representing executive state-level presence at the event as well. The event concluded with a celebratory toast, a special honor hoop by Lucy Howell, and a call to action, encouraging attendees to continue their efforts in raising awareness, reducing stigma, and supporting the SCD community. Participants were urged to stay connected and actively use the resources provided, including the newly launched app. Force for Health Network CEO Lucy Howell said, "It has been an honor and privilege to play our role here in the development of Moses' dream. We are looking forward to supporting its growth and engagement in the years to come." The Force for Health is pleased and honored to support this efforts with these amazing 360-degree SCD Hub community partners looking to stop stigma and promote empowerment for all, now and together. In closing, Moses reminds those living with sickle cell disease, you must love your sickle cell disease because only then you can embrace it, learn more, and thrive with it. Thanks for watching. Now for the fun part, we hope you enjoy our event album and photos to follow. And lastly, we look forward to launching our virtual Healthy Challenge and fundraiser later this summer as part of the Reality Health Games, powered by the Force for Health Network. A generous donation from Banner Health Plans will sponsor the first 250 players into the game. After that, the cost to play will be $49 a year, with 50% proceeds benefiting the Sickle Cell Foundation of Arizona. Programs like this will help us maintain and sustain free resources, events, and sponsored items for those who need it most, so stay tuned. Special thanks to Mike Segarra, Volunteer Public Information Officer, Red Cross of Southern Arizona, and to Lucy Howell, CEO, the Force for Health Network, for the great photos. If you have not already done so, we encourage you to download the app, connect with us, and help us improve the quality of life and care for those living with sickle cell.